A bad girl.
Good luck. Kay nice kay na iyang kuan.
Hey! Everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you. How dare you to stare at me? Why? It's because I'm a bad girl. A bad girl I am. A good-for-nothing teenager. A problem child. That's what you call me. I smoke. I drink. And I gamble at my young tender age. I lie. I cheat. And I could even kill if I have to. Yes, I'm a bad girl. But where are my parents? You are my good parents? My good elder brothers and sisters in this society where I live? Look at me. What have you done to me? You have pampered and spoiled me, neglected me when I needed you most, entrusted me to Ayaya, whose intelligence was lower than mine. While you go about your parties, your meetings and gambling sessions, thus I drifted away from you. Longing for father's love, yearning for mother's care. And as I grow up, everything's changed. You too have changed. You spend more time near pokers, managing tables, bars, and nightclubs. You even landed in headlines of newspapers as crook, peddlers, and racketeers. Now, you call my name, accuse me in everything I do to myself. Tell me how good you are. But if you really wish to ensure my future, then hurry back home, where I wait you, because I need you and I love you. Protect me from all evil influences that will threaten my younger own understanding. Please,